So as we know, digital transformation and the implementation of new technologies to any industry and sector is offering organisations opportunities which they probably didn't think was there in the first hand. However, this is always something that's going to become with a wee bit of pain or some frustrations. We're actually deciding on which emerging technologies are worth investing in and which ones are really going to give you that competitive edge is no easy task. And then of course, getting the right leadership to lead on the change, and even trying to get your team on board with changing and transforming your business in new ways is a totally different task altogether as well. So within today's video, we are going to take a look at digital transformation and how this has affected the healthcare industry, where applying digital solutions to this industry has made it a lot easier and more convenient for us as humans to interact with this type of sector. So by looking at the different technologies which are associated with this industry or sector, we will then move on to how ProfileTree could help you or guide you through a digital transformation today, where we offer a range of different services and support in this area. And we see many different examples of the likes of digital transformation within the healthcare sector, and this could be anything from the likes of self-service check-ins when we are visiting our local GP, where this service alone is an example of a digital transformation where reducing the need for face-to-face check-ins makes it much more convenient and time-consuming for us as patients or consumers. So let's take a look at some of the other ways a digital transformation has affected the healthcare industry. And the first one that we can look at, and this could be something that we have on our wrist right now, is wearable medical devices within the healthcare sector, where this trend is growing within digital transformation, with companies collecting their own health data from medical devices, such as the likes of wearable watches, where there is a major growth in the amount of patients which are demanding and focusing on the prevention and maintenance of their own body, where they now want to receive daily information on their general health. And as I mentioned, we have seen this with the growth of the likes of wearable devices, such as watches which have built-in heart rate sensors, exercise trackers, and oximeters for monitoring the amount of oxygen going into your blood. And in return for the healthcare sector, this allows them to become proactive in determining the likelihood of a major health event, with real reports showing that the wearable medical device market could save the US healthcare system close to $7 billion per year from customers taking care of their own health before symptoms can occur, where this also reduces the need for some medicines as well. Big data in the healthcare system can provide opportunities in how a business formats their social media, e-commerce, and online financial transactions, where within the healthcare sector, through this technology, they will be able to lower the rate of medication errors, where through patient record analysis, softwares can flag any inconsistencies between a patient's health and drug prescriptions, alerting the health professionals when there is a potential risk of medication error. In different countries, there can be a risk of emergency rooms being too occupied, where frequent visitors can account for up to 28% of visits, and big data analysis could identify these people and put plans in place to keep them from returning. It could also help for more accurate staffing, where its ability to have predictive analysis could help hospitals and clinics estimate future admission rates as well. So as we can see, the likes of big data can prove advantageous for the healthcare industry, where it can also help understand the market, offering sales teams an easier way to identify the ideal customers. Virtual reality in the healthcare sector is another technology which is growing, where VR technology is being used not only to treat pain, but everything from anxiety to post-traumatic stress disorder and stroke. And it's also another technology tool which is growing in the training and development of professionals within this field, where VR will allow them to visualize and complete medical surgeries in a real life format, where we have seen VR being introduced to different testing centres and assessments to easily see how these potential professionals in this area are performing. On-demand healthcare is also an area which is growing within this industry, where patients want easy access to healthcare consultants at all times. And in today's age, 77% of people use their mobile phone to book appointments. And we can also see this related to telemedicine and remote monitoring, where digital transformation has enabled the rise of telemedicine, allowing for services remotely through video consultations, phone calls, and messaging as well, which in return makes it more accessible, especially for the likes of individuals in remote areas or with limited mobility. Additionally, remote monitoring devices such as wearable or home monitoring systems allow healthcare providers to track patients' vital signs and health conditions remotely, facilitating proactive and personalised healthcare. We can also see the rise of AI in healthcare, artificial intelligence, where the likes of chat boxes and virtual health assistants are another AI-based technology that patients are becoming familiar with. And this is really making it more convenient for the likes of anyone who wants to interact with this industry, where chat boxes can fill a multitude of roles, from customer service representatives to diagnostic tools and even therapists as well. Blockchain, which is a digital ledger or computerized database of transactions which are shared across a network of computers, allows consumers to safely exchange financial information with the healthcare sector without any need for a third party such as a bank. And in healthcare, blockchain has proven to be a very effective tool in preventing data breaches and improving the accuracy of medical records and cutting costs as well. So this is all just a list of different examples of how technologies within the healthcare sector is majorly disrupting how they operate and how we as customers or patients are discovering new convenient ways to interact or receive treatment. And we at ProfileTree understand that digital transformation has a profound impact on the healthcare industry and can transform the way any business can engage with their consumers. And within our digital transformation, we will focus on how we can break your company down, looking at your people in terms of the people involved with your business, such as your employees and customers, and how we can transform to work in new and improved ways, as well as how we can improve your processes, allowing you to become more operationally efficient, and then selecting and implementing the correct technology which is suited towards your business. And we are also offering services and support inside website development, where we can look for new ways to develop your website to ensure high Google rankings and SEO keyword search rankings to match this, through high effective website design, performance focused web development, and simple and effective website hosting and management. We can drive results through SEO, which engages your customers and increases your sales. Digital marketing is another area of the business which we can improve you on, where we will target new customers or build relationships with your existing clients. Through creating a digital marketing strategy, we can then help you reach your target audience on the platforms that they actually like to use. So your digital transformation starts with setting goals, tracking your progress, and measuring your engagement. Where through digital training and online advertising, we will give you the right tools to grow your brand online. We will also apply a content strategy towards boosting your profile across all social media platforms, influencing conversations and enhancing your organic search ranking with content that truly engages your target audience. We will build relationships with video marketing that engages and inspires, as well as educate and inform your audience through copywriting, all of which providing you with new ways and new opportunities to enhance your customer experience. Where this, along with data-driven insights, looking at the key ways in which your customers behave or their preferences or their patterns, will allow us to ensure that we can lead to new customer satisfaction levels and high loyalty towards your business as well. So I'm sure you will agree that it's important that we as business leaders or as business owners are fully aware of the digital technologies and solutions that are impacting our industry or market. However, it's one thing knowing these technologies, but we must also act on them and really look for new ways to introduce new technology to give us that edge over our competitors. So if you do need any support or guidance in around digital transformation or the implementation of new technology and transforming your business for the better today, make sure and reach out to me through the business email or my email found on screen. That is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching and have a brilliant day.